Hello traders, welcome back to Trading Time. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 Forex trading strategies for the beginner. If you are new in the market and willing to stay and earn for long term, then this video is useful for you. If you follow these 5 tips which I am going to share with you in next few minutes, you'll definitely save yourself from getting a loss. So let's get started. Number 1, strategy. Do not ever start trading in Forex or any other platform without any strategy. If you are assuming that you will start trading blindly and you'll stay and earn for long term, trust me, it's not going to work. If I talk about myself, I've also been in the same situation in 2013 when I started trading. I used to trade blindly, and the fun thing is, it gave me profit initially, but this one didn't last long. I started getting losses day by day, and in the end, the money in my account was totally lost, and unwillingly I was thrown out of the market. Guys, this is not just only mine but also the story of almost every newbie in the trading. But I want my subscriber to learn from my mistakes and try not to repeat them. Do such smart trading so that you will never face such kind of situation. Number 2, always practice on demo account. If you have no idea about trading, you must start initially on demo account. You'll get a basic idea of what trading is. Also make your own strategy which you are going to apply on your real account. First apply it and check it on demo account. You'll get to know whether it's going to work or not. And whenever you feel your strategy is giving good result, simply apply it on your real account. It will surely give you better results. Every broker provides a demo account. You can get yours from any broker. But whenever you are using a demo account, at the time, always keep your balance between $1,000 to $5,000. Because the less your balance, the more you'll relate to the real situation. Usually when anyone starts trading for the first time, they always keep their balance between $1,000 to $5,000. Similarly, you have to do with your demo account and treat it as a real one. Start with the same amount which you are going to put in your real account. Number 3, backtesting. Once you are ready with your strategy, do not forget to backtest it. Your strategy may have been performing for last 2-3 years, but if you want to trade for long term, then you must have backtested data of past 10 to 15 years. And from this, you'll get a clearance of how your strategy will perform, and if you feel anything is missing or due to some big news your strategy is not going to work, you'll be able to make some changes in your strategy according to the movement of the market. And your strategy will be ready for every market movement. If I talk about myself, I have backtested my strategy for past 18 years. Sometimes I have also compromised with the returns, but I have always kept my strategy safe for long term. Number 4, do not underestimate anyone. Again, if you are a newbie and seriously willing to learn, then you should never underestimate anyone's knowledge. When I was a newbie, there were very few contents available on internet. So I used to search a lot to gather information from every website regarding Forex. So feel lucky you have everything to search about. Gather information as much as possible. And whatever information you get is useful, then do implement that, and if not, then leave it as it is. Every YouTuber has something to say, and it depends on you whether you take good knowledge from them or you waste your time criticizing them. Number 5, do not pay a single penny for any indicator or strategy. I have never spent any money on buying any indicator or strategy. I believe in creating strategies on my own. There are several of useful indicators available, just download and test them. In my initial days, I downloaded 500 to 1000 indicators, and some of them were awesome, but some were so worse that my MT4 used to get stuck, or you can say hang. But I never stopped. I kept on testing, and whichever indicator I felt was good, I saved it on my PC. At the same time, some indicators were giving so perfect signals, but when I used it in the live market, I discovered it was changing its signals according to the market. You must stay away from such indicators. You have to find an indicator that gives one signal. Whether its prediction is right or wrong, it doesn't matter. But its signal should not get disappear. Believe me, if you'll do some hard work and make your own strategy with proper backtesting, no one will be able to stop you. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you feel this video helped you, please do not forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to our channel.